Fire is a sudden and rapidly spreading danger. Therefore, this video aims to guide you on how to respond correctly and swiftly during a fire, ensuring safe evacuation and taking necessary precautions. Evacuation plan. Izmir University of Economics has designated emergency and evacuation plans in place for each building. These plans are designed to prioritize your safety and guide an effective evacuation process. It's crucial for your safety to familiarize yourself with these plans whenever you enter a new building. Call 112. Stay calm and maintain composure. Call 112 immediately. Fire alarm. If possible, immediately activate the fire alarm. If you cannot reach it, alert others around you. Elevator. Never use elevators. Fire can damage elevator electrical systems, potentially trapping you inside. Emergency exit. Proceed confidently towards the nearest designated emergency exit doors and fire stairs. Fire stairs. Descend the fire stairs calmly and in a controlled manner, preferably staying close to the wall for added support. Remember, fire stairs are strictly for emergency use and should not be used for any other purpose. Smoke. If heavy smoke fills the area, get low to the ground and crawl towards the exit. Keep your mouth and nose covered with a cloth or sweater to avoid smoke inhalation. Closed door. When encountering a closed door, open it cautiously. If the doorknob or surface feels hot, do not open it. Backdraft. Avoid opening doors to closed rooms. This could cause a backdraft, that is, a sudden explosion of flames. Retreat. If you cannot assist in extinguishing the fire, close all windows and doors in immediate vicinity. Retreat from the area promptly and inform the authorities about the fire. Fire extinguishers. Familiarize yourself with the locations of fire extinguishers in your workspace and frequently used common areas. Extinguishing. Only trained individuals should attempt to use a fire extinguisher. If you're not trained, point out the extinguisher's location to someone who can operate it effectively. This video provides crucial information on how to respond swiftly and safely during a fire emergency. Remember, fires can spread rapidly and potentially block escape routes. Stay informed, stay prepared, and most importantly, stay safe.